So today I was gifted with the gift of warmth from Constellation Home, and I was blessed with a new furnace. It was just a blessing to receive such a gift. I'm truly humbled by it. That system was over 20-some years, probably over 30 years actually, probably over 30 years old. It's a really old system. And because it's so old, parts and things like that aren't available, so I needed an entire new furnace.
I've been a part of the Gift of Warmth program 3 different times throughout my 5-year career. Every time it does feel great giving back to them. Typically we would come into the house, it's cold, they haven't had heat for months, years sometimes. And being able to put a new furnace in and they hear that thing kick on for the first time and they're happy knowing they're gonna sleep in a warm bed feels good.
Constellation Home gifted this family a heating system, and I was fortunate that they partnered with the Ravens, and I was able to be part of this and be able to give back to this family. And I remember being young and my heat was shut off, and just for them to be able to have a heating system that's working and know that you're gonna be fine for the holidays and throughout the winter is a blessing.
Today is a significant day for me because this is the anniversary of my husband's passing. And so I'm so grateful that I was given a gift to begin with, but for it to happen on today of all days is more than I could ever have imagined for myself and my family.